Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful, stunning mums in the whole entire world. You're so beautiful the way you are. I really never did makeup before. Never, ever. So for today, Happy Mother's Day! I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So, oh, I just really didn't want to sleep and I'm super excited. Guys, I'm gonna tell you a secret. My mum is the bestest mum in the entire world. Shh, don't tell her. She's coming. So we're gonna get started now. This video, thumbs up our channel and subscribe. So we're gonna start during now. Get your cup of tea and relax and lie down and watch it on TV. Connect it to the TV. And relax on your bed and watch. And if you like it, subscribe. And comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye!
Fair. They're doing the Mother's Day campaign, so I decided to feature Esther on my channel. Esther, say hello to them.
Welcome to me and my mom's channel. So I never did her makeup. First I did her eyebrows. Yeah. Then she did some herself. Yeah. Then you know always the lipstick is last. You know that. Does anyone know what we do next? Maybe lipstick, but no. Maybe our face, but maybe. Maybe. Maybe our face.
Okay, I think we're gonna start with the eyes first because I really like to do my eyes before my face. So it's Esther part and this is my part, guys. So let's get started. Yeah, we're taking a brown eyeshadow.
I have to do it as well.
Yeah, you're gonna do what I'm doing. So let's get started. No, what I'm doing, you do this side, I do this side. So what we're doing, we applying
eyeshadow.
Yeah. So we're blending it.
So we're blending it.
Yeah.
Maybe at the top.
Okay.
So this is how it looks like.
Yeah.
I hope I didn't get it in the eyes.
Yeah, let me take. Right.
It's so beautiful. What is in the camera?
Okay, let's go on. We're gonna take an orange shade.
Yes.
So we want to be as simple as possible.
Yes.
Good. So we take a purple eyeshadow actually on the lids. Do your side, I'll do mine. Yeah.
Look, now I made it pink.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. So we blend that in.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well done. I can tell your blending skill is really good. You're very good at this.
There's some on your face.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. We clean it up, won't it?
Yeah. First we did the brown shade, as you know, then the orange shade, as you know, then the purple shade, as you know. So this is how our face looks like. Some's gone wrong on her face, but it doesn't matter. She'll clean off. So these are my beautiful earrings.
What are you doing?
Playing with them, so I can make a video. It's the highlight. So this is the highlighter. So as you know what to do with this. So what do I say anymore?
We're gonna line your eyes, remember?
We're gonna line the eyes, remember?
No, I'm talking to you, not them. We're gonna line the eyes.
So
you know how to line the eyes?
Wait, the eyebrows.
Not the eyebrows. Oh, not that. Look, I'm going to show you. We're going to line the eyes like so.
Wait, like it goes to...
Yeah.
Now I know, now can I do it?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna... It looks like a colouring pen.
Yeah, it looks like a colouring
Close
pen.
your eyes. I'm holding it your face because I don't want to go to the eyeball.
Okay.
I'm doing it like not as good. So I'm trying my best.
Well done.
First, I'm going to make you laugh. Why did the chicken cross the road? Because he wanted to bust down out of the car and get into the car and make a music about So, for today, we're going to apply the eyelashes. My hand's a little bit dirty. We're going to apply the eyelashes.
Yeah, like I did. Look at where I put it. Can you see? So put yours like where I put mine on your side. Eyes. Okay.
Did it?
You think that's the right way? Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then it's out of hand.
It's easy. Nothing. I'm just saying you're doing a great job. That's it. So what are we gonna do next?
For the last one might be lipstick.
No. Before the lipstick.
Highlighted face.
Not yet. We're gonna do the face.
Next, we're gonna do our face. So, as you see, we have the fashion foundation right here.
Fashion Fair foundation, actually.
Fashion Fair foundation. So we're gonna be using this sponge.
Okay.
And
Good
you
job.
see,
Yeah.
I like orange.
Go on. Put some more. No, do your side. Don't be cheeky.
I love being cheeky, cheeky, cheeky. I'm gonna do too much, because I like too much. Because I'm a cheeky fella. So, as I'm doing, you see what we do. We like putting it like dots. See? Looks like dots.
Yeah.
That's what we're doing.
It does it?
Yeah. So, we might have finished the whole face. Look how beautiful she is.
Oh, you're so cute. Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
So you're doing a great job on your side, aren't you?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm gonna apply the concealer.
What concealer are we using?
Fashion Fair.
Yeah.
Do you want to do some?
Yeah, you're gonna do your side. I'll use it first, and you do your side.
Oh, it looks like lipstick actually.
It's not lipstick actually. So do your side. No, you don't touch it on the. You just apply it on the face like that. Is that where I applied it? Is that where I applied mine? You applied where I applied mine. You do as I do. You're supposed to do what I'm doing, actually.
I am.
Is that where I did mine? Is that where I applied mine? Are you for real, Esther? Okay. Okay.
You look
Are you done?
highlighted already.
I look highlighted. Well, thank you. Now we have to blend in the concealer, okay?
Concealer, blend the concealer. Blend the concealer. Blend it, blend it. Blend the concealer. Blend the concealer. Blend it, blend it. Blend the concealer. Ba 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 ba.
Blending time.
Blend, blend, blend. Blah 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 blah.
Exactly as I do. Okay, I'm going to draw one here, and one here. Okay?
Wait, I'm going to look at yours first.
Yeah, go ahead.
Is it like one here,
Yes.
one here,
Uh-huh.
one here?
You see? Is that what you see on my face? Is that what I did?
Yes?
Are you sure?
Yeah?
Okay. Now what do we do? Blend, blend, blend.
Blend, 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 blend.
You're doing a great job, sweetheart.
Yeah.
I'm loving your side. It's looking really stunning, as you said.
I understand.
I bet it did, but
I understand.
Did you?
Yes.
Well, I didn't realize I was speaking Yoruba. I thought I was speaking English actually, so...
Do you want to tell them some Yoruba?
Go on then.
Joko means sit down.
Mm.
And Ishi means thank you.
Aww. Any other Yoruba that you know that you want to teach them?
Oya means come on.
Can you?
Joko
Means
sit down.
Ah, that's interesting because some of my subscribers understand Yoruba, but it's
Not a lot.
not a lot of them. Yeah, not a lot of them. We're gonna set the highlighted areas with Fashion Fair setting powder. Jog my nose.
Very juggy nose.
Yeah. You find it funny because there's a bridge on my nose. I bet it's funny. Bridge on my nose.
There's a bridge on my nose.
What do you want?
Red.
We don't have red. We only have nude and orange.
This one.
You think?
Okay.
Okay.
Because I know how to do it. I'm an expert.
You're an expert at it. Wow, I never knew. She asked me to do this.
Now that we did the lipstick, look how she looks. Beautiful!
Oh, thank you.
The highlight, that's my favourite thing I say.
It's your favourite part?
Yeah.
You like highlighting?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's do it.
Your fake nose.
No, the bridge of my nose, I said. Oh my goodness, why did you go on my side? What have you done to my side? What? Is that like so? Okay.
Yeah.
So, guys, can you see the glow?
Oh, so glowing.
Yeah. It's your favorite part, isn't it?
Yeah, I love highlighting.
Oh, interesting. Now, you spray the face.
What?
No. I'll move back. Not in my face!
Your face! This is the finished look. So my mum's looks amazing and stunning. Yeah.
So what do you think about the old look?
Beautiful.
Oh, you're so cute.
Now can we look?
So you think you did a great job?
Yes.
You think?
This was taken a long time.
Did it?
Thank you so much, Fashion Fair. Happy Mother's Day.
Too much Fashion Fair.